My dad makes breakfast in the morning. My uncle made his house in the summer. The carpenters made the church chair. In Colombia, they made the longest tunnel in Latin America. The best choices are made in Bucaramanga. The volteado hat is made in the coastal cities of Colombia. The best coffee in the world is grown and made in Colombia. The best cheese is made in Ubatec. The paisa tribe the is most made important in Colombia. Book fair in South America is made in Bogota. My brother does sports. My sister does laundry on weekends. Juan advised to do only his work. Laura always does her homework in the morning. Sofia does her favorite sport. She doesn't play soccer in the afternoon. She does play the piano. He does me the research homework in the afternoon. Juan does the favor of buying out the book.